Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to reset your privacy settings on Pinterest using your PC. If you want to take control of your Pinterest experience, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Here, you will see various options related to your account. To adjust your privacy settings, find and select the Privacy and Data section from the menu on the left side of the screen. In the Privacy and Data section, you'll find several options that control who can see your content and how Pinterest uses your information. Take a moment to review these settings and make any changes that suit your preferences. You can decide who can find your account, who can mention you, and whether or not to hide your profile from search engines. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, it's time to reset those settings. Look for the Reset button at the bottom of this section. Click on it to initiate the reset process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed with these changes. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Confirm. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your new privacy settings are applied effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your privacy settings on Pinterest. Remember, keeping your account secure is essential for a safe online experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media accounts. Happy pinning!